Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Paul's Workshop. It's been a while since we've made a video, but today we kind of got a special treat for you, something that came delivered on the front porch, and I just had to make a video about it. So come on over, let's check it out. All right, here at Paul's Workshop, we really do love our hobbies. Among some of our hobbies are, the things you've seen, cars, trains, different things like that. But we're also into antique radios and amateur radio. And if you know anything at all about amateur radio or ham radio, you've heard of Baofeng. Baofeng is a Chinese ham radio manufacturing company, just actually two-way radio and electronics, but they really are, they get the credit for bringing affordable handheld radios to the masses. And a lot of folks got their start with these Baofeng walkie-talkies. And my first one was a TYT, not a Baofeng, but I saw these come up on a forum recently, and I had to get my hands on them. Without wasting any more time, let's take a look at what we have here. So this was ordered from Radiodity and sent free shipping, and it showed up on my doorstep today. So we're going to cut through the packaging, and I love how they package things that come from China. They do such a nice job of wrapping and packing, but let's see, where's the open top side? Oh, here's the top side. We're going to cut. All right, and here we have, folks, the 25th anniversary Baofeng walkie-talkie. Humility as our foundation, progress as our edge. Baofeng Electronics, 25 years dedicated to radios. Yeah, folks, this is the 25th anniversary Baofeng. I think it's the UV-5R. Let's dive in and see what they gave us. Here's the first one on the bench here. We're going to open the box. This is just how it came in, so let's see what we get. Ooh. All right. You get this really cool timeline. So the mission, the debut, the legacy, the homage. So there, they give you this nice, look at that. 2026 is the year we'll always remember, right? Pretty cool. Nice. All right. So you get with this is kind of what I liked about this. Let's put the box aside. You get a nice carrying case. Nice plastic carrying case that they give you. And 25th anniversary on the back. Decent, I mean, it's Harbor Freight quality, what you'd expect. You got two latches. Oh, look at that. It's like you're opening, it's like a handgun case, right? You got your UV-5R user's manual. Nothing too outside the ordinary there. It's pretty straightforward standard. You get this Baofeng 25th anniversary pin. Now I could see myself wearing this at the next Ham Fest, huh? Look at that. This is nice. This is metal. Very nice. Very nice pin. Just gonna put that over there. Let's see. And one of the things I thought was really neat when I saw these advertised is the antenna that you get. It's a clear antenna. So you can see what's going on inside. Nice. And now here's the radio itself. So nothing different than your standard UV-5R, although it does say 25th up there on the button, which makes it, unique. Packaged, they all seem to come with this earpiece that nobody ever uses. And you got the drop-in charger. You got your belt clip over here. You can get this battery out and see if it turns on. The battery, surprisingly, I guess not surprisingly, it's not clear, not transparent. So let's see.
Channel mode.
And now you see on boot up.
Frequency mode.
So on boot up, watch that again. We're going to boot that up.
Frequency mode.
So it says Baofeng 25th. What a slick, neat looking radio. Look at that. we'll give these a try a little while later and, you know, see how they perform. But nice. And you also have the option here to charge with the USB-C. So that's a bit of an upgrade from the original UV-5Rs. Now, pretty good hand feel, you know, nice looking radio. So yeah, there's the transparent 25th anniversary UV-5R. All right, now I know our very best viewers saw we had 2 boxes. So we're gonna do our unboxing of our second unit here. So same idea, beautifully wrapped. And we have another 25th anniversary Baofeng. There it is, same, the 25th anniversary box. Unfortunately, the box got a little bit of damage in shipping, but I don't think these are ever going to be real collectibles. There's another hobby. All right. Same packaging, same nice leather to our valued customers, etc. Okay, you also have a second carrying box. Baofeng on the front. 25th anniversary. Almost a Star Trek font, right? Really cool. Imagine walking around with this thing, taking this to the Hamfest or keeping it as your prepper radio. All right, it's the same idea. We're going to unsnap, and here's our manual. Nothing special here. But this one, we got the 25th anniversary pin. And this one's a little bit different. This one is orange. Now, I really, really like the orange. And originally, I was just going to order the orange. And mistakenly, I put the order in for the clear. This one has an orange antenna. So yeah, so I put the order in for the clear, and I noticed I was like, man, I don't want to cancel the order and all that. So I just decided to order another, the orange one. And again, it turns on, it says Baofeng 25th.
Frequency mode.
That changes
Channel
between frequency and channel, your AB. But yeah, so this is a very, very nice looking radio. I really like the orange. So same thing, you can charge on the USB. Probably not the heaviest battery I felt, but you know, it's going to be compatible with all the other UV-5R stuff, which there's, you know, probably millions of those out there. But yeah, so this is the orange 25th anniversary. So again, I have dozens, literally dozens of handhelds. Did I need 2 more? No, but when I saw this, and these are selling for about $30 shipped. So when I saw these out there, somebody had posted them, and I said, man, I got to have those. So there's the 25th anniversary orange as well. All right, let's just get a little better look at these.
Frequency mode.
So if you want to see like a performance review or something on these, they're nothing different, I think, than the regular UV-5R. They're going to perform the same way. It's just, they're just neat because of the colors. And the fact that they're 25th anniversary. So yeah, there's the pin. I don't want to make this a whole long video, but I do want to get it out there. Because if you're thinking about buying one of these, they say they're a limited edition. Only 5,000 of them out there. So I would jump on it quickly. Definitely worth the money. You could get a UV-5R for probably under $20, like, you know, $18 or something. But these are a little bit special, and it's kind of neat. And I like that you get the carry case is pretty decent too. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Paul's Workshop. I had a great time. Really, really love these little guys. Again, 25th anniversary. Don't think they're going to be selling them for a whole lot for much longer. Are they going to appreciate in value? Probably not, but they're really neat. If you want to see a full review on these, let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll do a performance review, etc. But like I said, there's so many reviews out there on the Baofengs. It's really not worth taking up the time in this video for it, but maybe in another one. So yeah, we'll catch you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more amateur radio content, let us know.